Saturday, on our way to grab some lunch. Restaurant called Portello, supposed to be really cool to go to. And there's going to be a rally today or some kind of car show in South Coast Plaza. We're going to go ahead and check it out. So stay tuned. So we're here at the Chicago finest Portello's. We're gonna go and check it out. The crew is here, super hungry. Yeah. You guys hungry?
Yeah.
Jordan, you hungry?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go ahead and check out the Chicago style beef. Lines to get into Portello's is crazy. Always packed, but super delicious. Let's check it out inside. What's this? You guys have an idea of what you guys want?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the Portillo sandwich, the beef sandwich.
Jordan, what are you gonna get?
Probably the sandwich.
Guys, we went ahead and got done with lunch. Now we're gonna go ahead and head over to the South Coast Plaza. I guess there's supposed to be some cool cars over there. DDE's there, Skinny's there. Let's check out the Apuerta from DDE.
The reality.
Reality. Woo! Reality show.
Thumbnail.
Pretty packed. Wow, a lot of different JDM cars. Here at the rally, lots of cars. It's supposed to be pretty lit, a lot of different rides. What do you think, Giselle?
Sick.
Well, let's take a look and walk around. Check out the intersexes. Yeah, they're really nice.
Very clean.
Oh, these are the cars that have those little pages that go up. Yeah. Oh, I like these. Look at how low. This is how low it is.
Look at the McLaren. McLaren.
Those go up on this too?
How come we don't see stuff like this on them?
Very clean.
Congratulations. Appreciate it.
Look at that. There's a red one. See?
Oh yeah, they're toxic.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think so far? Which car do you guys like the best? I'm kind of feeling the Porsche. What do you think? Pretty packed. Pretty packed, guys.
I'm really feeling Bowden's Audi. The thing was cool.
Yeah, Bowden's Audi is really nice. A lot of different cars out here, guys. Look at the Z. All right, here's something different. Here's the new Bronco. Let's take a look at this, guys. What do you guys think? It's a cool little SUV.
I'll take that.
Which one do you want, Giselle?
The mountain bike.
You want the mountain bike?
Yeah.
Actually, it's pretty cool.
It is. It's electric mountain bike.
Did you film any good content, brother?
Oh yeah.
Last time they came here, I think there was a bunch of Konex eggs here. It was different. Let's take a look at the wall page. A lot of cool stuff. That's cool.
Looked it up. She called and said, "Hey, my son and my husband."
Talks in the garage.
Okay, I'll get it.
Yeah, that is it. I like it. I think we bring our car here next time. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Do you think we should bring their car?
What?
Our car next time.
I think so.
What else do they got? Yeah, there's a lot of JDM. Look at this, Jacob. Look at this wing.
Big wing gang.
Big wing gang. This is nice. Look at the steering wheel.
Clean. It's clean.
That's the steering wheel?
Yeah, he flips it. That's cool.
Imagine driving like that.
I like it. I think this is like one of the nicer ones. Look at the mirrors. Good job, man.
No one goes back on those. What? Oh,
Well, what did you say? LC 500? Look at this Datsun. This is super cool. Look at that. I like it, I swear. I remember as a kid growing up, my parents were trying to buy one. This Toyota Corolla. Man, it reminds me of my childhood, my mom. But it's awesome. No, seriously, let's go check out this LC 500. Which one? Yeah, we'll go take a look. Look at this, guys. This is pretty cool.
Definitely a nice one.
I would change the interior to
Wide body.
Yeah. It's drums. That's everything.
It's bag. It's all bags.
Kiss, kiss.
You're a fan of Tesla, guys. Look at this.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. good. Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's take a look inside, guys. Look at the interior.
Last year.
That's an exhaust, guys.
I think I've seen this before.
That's cool. What do you think, Jordan? You like this Tesla with the motor exhaust?
Dude, why does it smell good? No, I'm just kidding.
It smells like bubble gum.
No, no.
Push it. Come on.
Touch your finger here on the red line. On the red line.
Which one?
Hold on. Hey, Hector. Give me 1 minute. Hector.
That's sick.
That is cool.
Okay.
I like the spoiler. I want to rev it.
Press your finger here on the red line. On the red line. Let go. Yeah, I give you Ferrari sound.
Lambo.
Come on, you do it. Ferrari sound. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. Yeah.
That's actually so cool.
Yeah.
Where do you have the speakers? Under the car. Oh, they're on the bottom of the car? It's a module, so it vibrates. When I drive, I feel the engine. Feel the vibration. Yeah.
That's so
You touch it, you can feel it.
That's actually dope.
Tap this once. So photo, video, time lapse. That's it. 4K.
Is it filmed?
Ferrari. Portofino. Not bad. See, Corvette. Corvette. Let's see what else is there. Damn, it's packed. How? Like, I'm trying to figure out how often do they have this car show here? This is a cool car right here. 992. I've always been a pretty big Porsche fan, so car looks cool. 4S, all-wheel drive. I'm feeling it. What do you think, guys?
I think it's nice.
I would do all black.
Yeah.
This is like a lava orange or something.
Metro Boom. I'll really trade the piece. Dad, you want to see something funny?
This is the stuff we do at car shows. We look at each other's movies. You guys. What the hell? This is cool. Look at the doggies. That's cute.
That should be the.
Is that the next thumbnail?
Do it again. Do it again. Hi.
That's the
Do it
thumbnail right
again.
there.
Do it again, Jordan. I want a better one. Wait, Dad, hold on.
I am. I'm holding on.
Hi.
Yeah. That's the next thumbnail. Keep.
Why is my
You guys, come on. Look at these guys. My clowns.
Imagine that coming up to you. Hi.
Subi. He lost his bumper.
Why? One of my Androids said that like 20 times now.
Like an LS3.
You know what? I love the wheels. I gotta give them the car. The car looks crazy, but the wheels are just crazy. That's just what made the car. Good job, Bowden. Look at this thing. Everybody's making videos. BMW. We got some roadie. Who likes the roadie more? That's not it. It's a BMW, dude. That's an M3. This is like, when I was a kid, I was growing up, I wanted this car so freaking bad. I swear to God, this was like, in like 88, this was the car. Take the money. Take the money.
I can fit in there. Gianna.
Make sure you don't drop it on the car.
He's like putting it right next to the car.
I know you can't do that. Dang, guys, a lot of people here today. A lot of people at this car show. A lot of things going on. Ricardo seats. This is a rotary engine. It's a rotary engine. The thing makes so much horsepower with the turbo. What else you guys want to see? Look at this Datsun.
The one that's in the tattoo.
This is a 240 or 280. I think it's a 240. He's doing a job. That's what I hired him for. Is that sheesh?
Gianna be like,
Is that sheesh? That's sheesh. How is it, Giselle?
what?
How's sheesh?
Tea. Sounds like she's saying cheese.
I just noticed we could have done this all in 4K.
Cotton 4K.